Hello everyone, my name is Kade Indra Setiawan for 4C MVP number 24, and at this moment I'm going to explain about the definition and the function of food and beverage. Food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for organism, to sustain growth and vital process, and to furnish energy. Food is usually of plant, animal, or fungal in origin, and contain an essential nutrition such as carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamin or mineral. The absorption and the utilization of food is facilitated by the digestion. Food can be classified in according to their chemical property, to their function, to their essentially, to their concentration, and to their nutritive value. First, according to the chemical nature, there is a carbohydrate, vitamin, protein, dietary fiber, fats, and water mineral. Next is according to their function in the body. Energy giving foods, the carbohydrate, fats, and the protein are considered as the calorie nutrition, so that the body can perform the necessary function. The example is rice, chapati, bread, potato, sugar, oil, butter, and ghee are example of energy giving food. Next is bodybuilding food. Foods such as protein, fats, and carbohydrate are also called as the bodybuilding food. They are the nutrition that from the body's tissue, fish, meat, chicken, eggs, pulses, nut, and milk are some bodybuilding food. Next is protective food. Vitamin and mineral are the nutrition that function to regulate the body process. They protect us from the various diseases. Fruit and vegetable are example. Therefore, we must eat this regularly. And next is according the chemical property. Nutrition that contain the element of carbon are called organic nutrition, and the nutrition that do not contain carbon element are called as the inorganic nutrition. The organic nutrition include carbohydrate, lipids, protein, vitamin, and water. And the inorganic there are water and mineral. Next is according to it must depending on the quantity necessary for cell and organism are classified as the macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are required in large quantity daily. Protein, carbohydrate, and fats are macronutrients. They are based on any diet. And next is micronutrition. Micronutrients are needed in small quantity, usually in amount less than a milligram. These nutrition are involved in the regulating metabolism and energy process. They are vitamin and mineral example. Next is according to its origin. Depending upon the origin of the food, it's being classified as the animal food source and plant food source. And last is according its nutritive value. There are 12 categories from the nutritive value of food, such as cereal and millets, pulses, nut and oilseed, vegetable, green leafy vegetable, non-leafy vegetable, roots and tubs, fruit, milk and milk products, animal food and meat, fish, liver, and its other. Carbohydrate foods, and last is the condiment and spices. Okay, next is the beverage. A drink is a liquid for human consumption by drinking. It is something that you might offer to your guests. The purpose of a beverage is to quench one thirst and feel refreshed. A beverage is meant to be served as consumed and its own right, even though many be used in ingredient. A beverage can cold, warm, or hot, alcoholic or non-alcoholic, created from natural ingredient. A more artificially produced, a beverage is usually consumed either by vessels such as a cup, glass, or straw. Generally, only cold or room temperature beverage will be consumed through a straw, not hot beverage. Maybe in form of stimulant like tea, coffee, milk, or refreshers like soft. They are broadly classified as the below: alcoholic beverage and non-alcoholic beverage. Alcoholic beverage is portable liquids which contain 2% to 75 liquor, and they are produced by the introduction of yeast for fermentation into substance such as foods, cereal, molasses, and plant extract. Technically, it is known as the ethyl alcohol that forms as the product of a chemical reaction in which yeast converts in glucose percent in the alcohol and carbon dioxide. Alcoholic beverage has been divided two categories. They are fermented alcoholic beverage and distillated alcoholic beverage. Fermented beverage are classified broadly as wine, beer. Wine is beverage that is prepared by fermentation of grape by the addition of yeast, while beer is prepared by the fermentation of grain with yeast and distilled beverage or hard liquor. Is an alcoholic beverage produced by distillation of mixture procedure from the alcoholic fermentation, such as wine, whiskey, vodka, gin, brandy, tequila, flavor and sweetened spirit alcoholic liquor. And next is the non-alcoholic beverage. Refer to the non-intoxication drink or soft drink which doesn't have a liquor by volume or yeast is not introduced by the convert sugar into alcoholic during fermentation. They are considered as soft beverage, such as water, mineral water, juice, squashes, syrup, tea, coffee, milk, and etc. Hospitality industry in the non-alcoholic beverage are essentially provided and served as a breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It is widely used for diluting spirit with soft cake and cold drink, like rum and coke, whiskey and soda water, gin and tonic and water. It is not only as to taste, but it also enhances the color, flavor, and the eye appeal. So that's all about the definition and the function of the food and beverage. If I have a mistake, I'm sorry. That's all. See you.